Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have new fidgets in my fidget collection and I am really happy I got all of them. I have two monkey noodles that is Easter themed and they can turn into a bracelet. I have four squishies, two regular ones and two of them that glows in the dark. These are the regular ones that I have. And here is the glow-in-the-dark ones I have. This was only $1.25 at the dollar store for the squishies. And they was in the fidget collection there. But my favorite one is the paw prints and the glow-in-the-dark one. That is my favorite out of it. I have 4 pop tubes. These was $1 at Five Below. And here is the price in the back. And I even have the Easter pop tubes. I'm so happy I found the pop tubes where I live in because the pop tubes, I can't find them anywhere unless it's at Five Below or at Myers if it's a theme going on, like the Easter ones. I even have 2 Slinkies that is Valentine's Day themed. They was also in the fidget collection. I believe I got this at Myers. And I believe it was like $2.99 each at Myers in the fidget collection. I have a lot of Poppets that I'm really happy I have. I have Halloween Poppets. I did get this around Halloween time and I'm really happy I found it. It was October of 2025 when I got it. And there was only $2.99 each for these. And they do glow in the dark too. And I don't know if anyone can see that that says glow in the dark. I even have Valentine's Day Poppet bracelets. I got 4 packages of them. They was $2.99 each for the Poppet bracelets. And you get 6 into it. So I'm really happy I got these. I have Easter Poppets. I got 2 of these. And it was $2.99 each at Myers. Yes, I got a lot of my stuff at Myers, a little bit from Five Below, and a little bit from the dollar store. And I did got 4 Poppets from Targets for only $1 each. I will be showing that one last. I have Easter Poppets, more Poppets that is Easter themed from Myers for, I believe it was $2.99 for this, like $2.99, $3.99, like around there. And you can get 8 into it. It's like $2.99, $3.99 for one package, like around that price. And it was at Myers. So if anyone has a local Myers next to you, they do have fidgets and poppets, like 8-count ones, for like $2.99, $3.99 each. And the last but not least, I have 4 poppets from Target for $1 each. I have a hard one, a cat one, a dog one, and a dinosaur one. And the tags are still on here again. They did not wrap it or anything. But here is the price tag being $1. And it is $1 on all of them. I don't know if Target still has these poppets or different poppets or different fidgets there. But I found these poppets in the $1 section in the front showcase, where they have the $1 to $3 in for the fronts. If I have to pick one thing from my collection that I have, that I do like personally, it would be the Halloween poppets that I have. Because, by the way, these are the same. I would choose the Halloween poppets in no time, because no one knows that Halloween is my favorite and fall is my favorite season. And so that's why I will choose the Halloween ones in no time. If I have to choose 2 items that is my favorites besides the Halloween ones, it would be the monkey noodles. Which, by the way, these are the same too. It would be the monkey noodles. I'm trying to think what else. And the glow-in-the-dark squishies. Comment down below which one is your favorite from that pile. And the question of the day for anyone is, if you have any fidgets in your collection, which one is your favorite from your pile? Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I hope that everyone enjoyed this video.